Cooking is an art, and having the right tools transforms a mundane task into a delightful experience. This Lolykitch 6-quart Tri-Ply stainless steel sauté pan with lid is designed for home chefs and cooking enthusiasts who value quality, performance, and durability. This review will delve into the standout features, benefits, and why this sauté pan deserves a place in your kitchen. Why choose the Lolykitch sauté pan? 1. Health and safety first. The pan is PFOA-free and SGS-certified, providing peace of mind for health-conscious cooks. 2. Reliable performance. With its efficient heat distribution and premium construction, it delivers consistent results every time. 3. Sleek and stylish. The polished stainless steel finish adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen. 4. Multi-purpose cooking. From deep frying to sautéing, the 6-quart capacity makes it versatile enough to handle various dishes. 5. Sustainability. Its energy-efficient design is eco-friendly, aligning with modern sustainability goals. A closer look at the Lolykitch Tri-Ply clad design. The Lolykitch sauté pan boasts Tri-Ply clad technology, a feature that sets it apart in the market. Constructed with a pure aluminum core sandwiched between 2 layers of stainless steel, it ensures efficient heat distribution. Eliminating hot spots, the pan heats evenly, giving consistent results every time. Energy efficiency. Saves up to 20% more energy compared to conventional pans, thanks to its high thermal conductivity. Whether you're searing meats or preparing delicate sauces, the even heat distribution ensures professional-grade cooking results. Food-safe and non-reactive surface. The pan features a highly polished 18/8 food-grade stainless steel surface with a starburst finish. This design not only adds a touch of elegance, but also offers non-reactive cooking. Safe for all types of foods, it ensures your meals retain their authentic flavors without any metallic interference. Ease of maintenance. The polished surface resists stains and is easy to clean, whether by hand or in the dishwasher. This makes the Lolykitch sauté pan a reliable companion for everyday cooking needs. Versatility. Across all stovetops, one of the standout features of this pan is its adaptability. It is compatible with all stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, and ceramic cooktops. This versatility ensures you can use the pan anywhere without worrying about compatibility. Whether you're cooking on a modern induction stove or a traditional gas burner, the Lolykitch sauté pan performs seamlessly, giving you flexibility in your kitchen setup. Cool touch detachable handle for convenience. Safety and comfort are crucial in any cookware, and the Lolykitch sauté pan delivers with its cool-to-the-touch handle. The stainless steel handle is detachable, ideal for convenient storage and transport. Ergonomic, designed for a comfortable grip, reducing strain during extended cooking sessions. Securely fixed, the screw fixation ensures the handle remains stable during use. This thoughtful design element enhances the pan's usability, making it suitable for both novice cooks and seasoned professionals. High heat resistance, oven and dishwasher safe. Durability meets convenience with the Lolykitch sauté pan, which is oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for finishing dishes in the oven or baking casseroles. Dishwasher safe. Simplifies cleanup after meals, saving time and effort. One-pot meals. Prepare hearty stews or pasta dishes with ease. Searing and sautéing. Achieve restaurant-quality seared meats and sautéed vegetables. Frying and braising. The deep sides make it ideal for frying or slow-cooking braised dishes. Baking. Take advantage of its oven-safe design to bake casseroles or desserts. Its versatility ensures it becomes your go-to pan for any culinary endeavor. Final thoughts. The Lolykitch 6-quart Tri-Ply stainless steel sauté pan with lid is more than just a pan. It's an investment in your culinary journey. Its premium construction, versatility, and health-conscious design make it a standout choice for anyone who loves to cook. Whether you're a home cook looking for reliability or a chef aiming for perfection, this sauté pan offers everything you need to create delicious meals effortlessly. With its durable, Tri-Ply clad design, compatibility across all stovetops, and high heat resistance, it's built to last and deliver consistent results. Ready to elevate your cooking game? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and bring this must-have pan to your kitchen today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.